How to print and share Wanderlog itinerary. Open Wanderlog on browser or app. Log into your account if not already. Go to the trip section from the main screen. Select the trip you want to print and share. Wait for the itinerary details to fully load. Look at the top right side of the screen. Tap the Share or three-dot menu option. Choose Print or Export option shown there. Select Print or Save as PDF option. Download the file if PDF option appears. Open the PDF on your device and click Print option. Select your printer and confirm print. Go back to the trip screen for sharing. Tap the Share button once again. Copy the link or invite people with their email. Share the link through WhatsApp, email, or Messenger. Thank you for watching.